types of principals during class observation.
It's okay. Ugaw lagi. Paki-arrange na yung chairs. May basura, oh. Grabe ka ikaw. Ibato bang sa ko, please. Thank you. You gonna start now? Ay, it's okay. Nagdali man pugod ko. Napakoy dapat aduan. Sige lang, okay lang. Sige. Tiwasan na ninyo, ha? Sige. Sit down, kids. Maminaw ka, teacher, ha? Bye-bye. Overall, very nice kaayo ang pag-present mo sa imong lesson. But, here's sa imong motivation, wala kayo siya nag-fit sa imong lesson. Dapat ang motivation, always yun na siya mag-coincide sa imong topic. So, but it's okay, you can improve it. Your clear communication style captivated students' attentions throughout. I like it. I commend your efforts in providing individualized to struggling students. And also, your use of positive reinforcement increases students' motivation and confidence. Thank you. Congratulations, ma'am. See you around.